In Panama, thousands of doctors in the public sector have taken to the streets. They're voicing their resentment over a new law that allows the recruitment of foreign medical personnel. CCTV's Nitza Perez has the story.
Ring, ring, ring.
For over 3 weeks, doctors working for Panama's public health system have been protesting a new law that permits 7 of Panama's provinces to recruit foreign doctors.
We are really worried by the fact that the arriving professionals might not meet the requirements stipulated by our laws. We worry a lot about the lack of preparedness that might endanger the Panamanian nation.
While many Panamanian healthcare professionals complain the government did not spend enough time discussing the specifics of the new law, the issue that appears to be upsetting them more is the prospect of privatizing the country's public health system. They say the law opens the door to that, and they want the law repealed.
We want an end date for this law and the foreign recruitment.
This is one of the largest protests staged by medical professionals in the country since Panama's president, Ricardo Martinelli, ratified the law on October 2nd. The government says the law is intended to hire medical specialists like cardiologists, surgeons, and anesthesiologists to fill vacancies in poverty-stricken areas of the country where many Panamanian doctors decline to work. This citizen is asking the doctors to go back to work and stop being so lazy. His complaint highlights the irony about the protests over privatized medicine here. Most doctors who work in Panama's public system also work in big city private clinics, which has fostered the perception that they care more about patients who are wealthy enough to pay for medical care out of their own pockets.
They also have to pay attention to people from the outskirts. We need doctors that go inland. They have no doctors. You go to the health centers and they're empty, but you go here to the private clinics and they're full of doctors.
Striking doctors say they don't object to the law itself or the hiring of foreigners, just the government's approach. In the meantime, patients are waiting longer than usual. Despite the mediation efforts of the Catholic Church, doctors and nurses here in Panama say that they will keep taking to the streets until the law is finally abolished. Nitza Soledad Perez, CCTV, Panama City.